Today we're going to talk you through how to collect a fecal sample correctly. Before we begin, it's important that you empty your bladder because the fecal sample has to be collected without urine or toilet water.
In your welcome pack, you would have received 2 kits, a pink kit and a purple kit. The collection process is the same for both kits, however, it's important to start with the pink kit first. Before we begin, put on the pair of gloves you're provided. Both kits will include a sample tube with stabilizing liquid, a spatula for sample collection, and an instruction pamphlet. So you'll be provided with a toilet accessory that you will attach to the toilet. Once you've provided your sample, you'll be filling the tube. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using Biscoff. Hold on to the yellow part of the tube, unscrew the purple lid. Now use the spatula to collect a small amount of your fecal sample. Transfer the fecal sample to the top section of the tube, like so. So scrape horizontally and make sure that the sample is level. Screw the purple lid back on and shake it for 30 seconds. If large particles remain, you need to continue shaking. Once you've completed the collection procedure, you grab your spatula, you wrap it around toilet paper and dispose it in the garbage. And then dispose of your gloves. Once you've washed your hands, it's important that you label the tube with the date and your participant ID.
Once you have finished labeling the tubes, put them in the biohazard specimen bag. Once that's done, put both bags in the box and seal it. Put the box into the biohazard envelope which is provided with the kits. You'd be provided with a stamp. Stamp the envelope and post it in your nearest post office.